Hey Ma, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title of today's video, I will be showing you guys exactly how I install this I-part wig. As you guys can see, there is no leave out. The hair is bomb. So if you guys want to see exactly how I achieved this look, then I want you to continue to watch. Alrighty, so today's video will be sponsored by I Like Hair Wig, and right now I'm just giving you guys a quick unboxing. So when you receive the package, honestly, everything comes packaged extremely well. That card that you guys had saw, it actually has I Like Hair Wig socials on it, information about the brand, and also how to win some cash back and prizes and stuff like that. So as you guys can see, the box comes with everything that you would need in order to install the wig, and here is the wig here. So it is a curly, kind of like a deep curly, kinky curly-ish type of I-part shaped wig. So it's an I-part, it's not a V-part, and this actually makes it a lot easier for you to achieve that no leave out look. Okay, also the wig is 22 inches, by the way. I don't think I mentioned that, but right now I'm just showing you guys exactly how I installed the wig. So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys is exactly how I achieved the look without putting any leave out at all. I prefer you to not do any leave out because that is what the wig is for, but I am going to show you guys later on how it looks with leave out. Just so you guys know, I have like low density hair, so my hair is naturally like thin, so I do have to do a little bit of work in order to like blend it out, because as you guys can see, my part looks like too wide, so I did have to keep readjusting it, and then I will show you guys exactly how I tease it in order to make it look a little bit more natural. Alright, so right now I am just going to cut some layers in the front of my face, and you guys know I love to do this. Honestly, it just helps to shape the wig a little bit better because the hair is so full, which I love obviously, but I'd rather, you know, have it look a little bit more natural, especially like, you know, with the hair in front of my face and stuff like that. And I kind of feel like when you cut layers into it, it just makes it look even fluffier and just even better. And yeah, I love it. But as you guys can see, like, look at the part. Like, I haven't teased it yet and it doesn't even look that bad. You know what I mean? And what I like about this wig is that I kind of feel like, being that it is an I-shaped part wig, it just makes it easier to achieve that no leave out look, because I feel like sometimes with the V-shaped wigs, it's a little harder to achieve that because the, you know, the clips are so far apart. With the I part, it's a little bit more closed in together, if that makes any sense. But yeah, I'm gonna let you guys watch and then I'm gonna come back. Alrighty, so as you guys can see, I was definitely feeling the middle part. I actually love the way that it came out. So now I'm just showing you guys exactly how it looks in the side part. And I'm not a side part type of girl. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Especially when it comes to big curly hair like this, I prefer a middle part. But I just wanted to give you guys options depending on what you like, that you can style the wig, you know, different ways if you want to. So as you guys can see, I'm just adjusting the clip. And I am going to tease it to give a little bit more of a natural look as well. Now, if I was to wear it in a side part, I would have to do a little bit more layering just to get it to look the exact way that I would want it to, because the hair is just so much, you know what I mean? So I kind of feel like leaving it like this will be just a little bit too extra. But as you guys can see, like, you're able to achieve that, you know, that no leave out look with the side part as well. I did end up doing kind of like a half up, half down thing with like the bobby pins, like right here, yeah, just so I could kind of give you guys a better look as to how it will look as a side part, being that the hair was so full. So I kind of feel like when I just had it down, yeah, it just wasn't looking right. And ignore that burn on my head. Oh my god, you guys, I burned my head with the freaking hot comb. I was tight. But yeah, as you guys can see, I like it though. But like I said, I'm not a side part type of girl, but I did want to give you guys another option. So I'm going to show you guys how it looks with a leave out, okay? Now, like I said, I am not a leave out type of girl. As far as me being natural, I love my hair being tucked away and being protected. With my leave out, my issue is that I have low density hair, and also my hair, I would have to like wet it or, you know, braid it to have that curliness so I can really blend it. But I did just want to give you guys a sneak peek that you guys can have minimal leave out if you want to, if you don't feel like the teasing would be enough, you know what I mean? But back to the no leave out. This is what I prefer. I actually love the hair this way, and I like the fact that I didn't have to do too much work to blend it and make it look a little bit natural without any leave out. So yeah. So we're pretty much at the end of the tutorial. I honestly have no complaints about the hair as well. This is a very good everyday type of wig that you could just throw on and go. It's so effortless. I didn't have to put any product in the curls at all. All you even need is water. I don't even think I put water in it, honestly. I just separated the curls and made it even fluffier. So I'm a fan, okay? I want to thank I Like Hair Wig for sponsoring today's video. I will have all of the information listed in the description box down below for you guys, as well as the direct link and coupon code for you guys, okay? But I appreciate you guys so much for tuning in, and I will see you next time.